Alright, welcome back to the Dells, where we've got supports finally going in. These are the supports for the enclosed wave wall. Pretty awesome. Got some composite here. They'll probably be using that for like the stair treads and whatnot. Over here though, let's see, lots of supports. Actually less than when I was here the other day. However, it's because of vertical construction. Here we can see what will be the top of the conveyor belt, or maybe the bottom, but some nice wheels to handle the tubes. Different supports. That's pretty fun. Launchers. Last weekend we went and visited the indoor water park just for fun, and I noticed that they had these very detailed renders that had not been released on the internet as far as I know. This is a good top-down shot of what the entire complex will look like. The larger water slides will be over to the right in front of the freeway. There's going to be a smaller kids area over here with a bunch of little slides. There's going to be a nice large waiting pool just in the center. And then there's going to be a swim-up bar and then also a family hot tub, along with a few cabanas with hot tubs, and then a few more cabanas throughout. This is a better overview of the main slide tower. You can see this water slide over here. I think it's Wild Wildebeest. Yeah, I believe the blue one is Wild Wildebeest. This is what we saw the supports being built outside. And then this is the family water coaster that I think is called Green Python or something like that. And then this is the 4-lane mat racer. So very cool renders. It would have been cool to actually have these pictures, but pictures of the pictures will do. There's also work on the far side of the indoor park. You can see that they're actively painting this wall to show off that in fact there's more water park fun coming. This is what that door looks like. This is a brand new door that they punch in the wall that will go into the new area. You can see all the different advertisements of the different things that are available. This is just relative from the arrow to the doors, and then this is right underneath the existing water coaster slide tower. And then interestingly, they used to have a outdoor family hot tub, but this was patched up since there's a new one being added, and then the new water park is taking up the space of the old one. You can see the line in the floor. It's pretty faint right here. They did a very good job at blending it in. Here's a little bit of a closer up area, but yeah, this old pool is gone, and I believe this is the only thing that was removed to make this expansion happen. One of Kalahari's current projects is that they are actually building some tree houses with the help of the treehouse masters on the shores of Lake Delton. So I came over to the site to film some drone footage. Yeah, I mean, other than being some of the coolest footage that I've ever taken, I don't know if I really have much to say. They're going to open relatively soon, and the tree houses look freaking awesome. One thing that is interesting is this is right next to the dam that in 2008 failed and drained the entirety of Lake Delton. Look forward to a video on that later this year. Well, let's now fly over some less frozen water and jump into the next big project that we're looking at today in the Dells, which is the Dellshire. This resort is opening sometime this spring, so it's getting very close to opening, and it's looking incredible. Just to give you guys some quick context, this is the original phase 1 of the Dellshire Hotel. I'm walking around, I start around here, and then I make my way all the way over here, and then all the way to this point. This is owned by the Dellshire, but also this is owned by the Dellshire. It's a freaking massive plot, so they basically own all of this. Ton of land, and they're only using a third of it, maybe even just a quarter of it right now for phase 1. They have a ton of room to expand, and I'm sure that they would be able to buy up some more land in this area if they wanted to. And just to give a context for the future expansions, this is the original expansion as shown in their concept video, but they plan to fully use all of this lower area down here. You can actually kind of see part of the quick trip down here. They're definitely planning on using absolutely all of this land. And you can see this is a different view of that concept art. So this is kind of down where we are right now, and then you can see so many more different buildings and even cabins in the woods over here, and that roller coaster. Thanks to Carol for showing me this concept art and the video. This has been hugely revealing, and it was really cool to see all of this concept art that I had somehow never seen before. This is the just behind the Dellshire. This is part of land they own, and you can see the trough where Fort Dells used to be, and a lot of new markings down here. Seems like in recent renders that they're planning to use all this area, so that'll be very interesting to see. You can see over here, old retaining wall, the sandstone that gives the Dells its name, and the massive new Dellshire Resort. And over there, when this sidewalk goes in on this side, this will be pedestrian access to the new resort. This is so much easier to see now in the winter where there aren't leaves, but you can see an old bridge over here, a retaining wall down over there, lots of stuff. All this land they own, and their renders say that they're planning on using. The resort really is very impressive. Walking along over here, that's Dellshire. They own most of this land back here too, so they're definitely planning on expanding, or at least have the provisions to eventually expand over here. They have so much land. Not quite as much as the Kalahari or Wilderness, but still a ton of land. What is this? There's just a bridge sitting here going over nothing. Clearly it's a pre-manufactured bridge of some sort that is gonna go somewhere. Maybe they're gonna build a pedestrian bridge over Highway 12, although that doesn't look wide enough for that. Wonder if they're gonna use it back here or something. Really don't know. Very interesting find. This is the first one. Like, there's another one. Yeah, it looks like it's not put in yet. This seems to be all part. They definitely plan on having like a walking area over here or something in the renders, so I wonder if this is part of that. I also see a new something over there. Let's go take a look. Over at the back end of Quick Trip with this light where this fuel truck is just about to pull in here. That's funny. There's this big gate that says no trespassing. This gate's clearly been here a while, but there is a ton of construction supplies over there and over there. That other bridge is right there too. That is very interesting. That's a whole lot of construction supplies and stuff for something coming over here. And it seems like they could use this as a second entrance to the resort, because I believe they own all of this land. The phase 1 of the resort is way over there. So lots of stuff. So that was the gate I was at. Down over here. And I'll see all the supplies and then that bridge. You know, That hill back there, that's where the mountain coaster is supposed to be. It's really, really small. They would need 2 or 3 lift hills to make that a decent mountain coaster. But I almost wonder if they might put a standard just like junior coaster back there. Maybe that would just make more sense to them. Something that's definitely new, it's got a sign. This thing just looks so impressive. So yeah, that's it for the Dellshire updates. The place is looking great and the future seems even brighter. I can't wait to see what this looks like when it's open and to see what the future holds for them. Now let's go check out the Silo Bar. Well, let's go check out the tallest bar in the Dells, Silo Bar. I'm not really a bar person, but this place has been open 2 weeks and was nice and busy about a half an hour after opening. Plus, the views were great, the bartenders were friendly, and the geodesic dome was very cool. Gonna have to check out the restaurant and the bar again soon. This seems safe. Now, just because I had my drone and Lake Delton was frozen, I decided to fly around a little bit just over the lake. So yeah, enjoy this footage. Thanks for watching this Dells construction update. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Woo!